Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your GMC Sierra battery. Before you begin, gather your tools like a 10mm and a 13mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from battery acid. Ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for maximum safety. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and secure battery replacement process. Once prepared, locate the battery, typically on the passenger side of the engine bay. First, use a 10mm socket to loosen and remove the negative battery terminal, then set it aside. Next, use a 13mm socket to remove the bolts securing the battery hold-down clamp. Carefully lift the old battery out of the tray, remembering it can be quite heavy. Take this opportunity to clean any corrosion from the battery tray and cable terminals using a wire brush and a baking soda solution. Now, carefully place your new battery into the cleaned battery tray, ensuring it sits firmly. Apply anti-corrosion spray to the new battery terminals. Connect the positive terminal first, tightening it with your 10mm socket. Then, connect the negative terminal and tighten it securely. Reinstall the battery hold-down clamp using your 13mm socket to ensure the battery is firmly in place and cannot shift during driving. After installation, double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Start your GMC Sierra to confirm the new battery is working correctly and all electrical systems are functioning. If you encounter any issues, re-verify your connections. Remember, proper battery maintenance can extend its life, so keep terminals clean. And speaking of staying prepared, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.